Hi everyone! Welcome back to Origami with Josie. Origami during coronavirus quarantine. And today we're going to fold a dog. To start, I've chosen a square piece of brown paper. You can use any color you like. Flip the paper over to the white side. And now we're going to fold a crease here and here. Open the model up again, and rotate, and fold again. Open the model up. Now we're going to take this edge and fold it in to this center crease. Open the model up again and repeat with this crease to the center. Open the model up again and repeat on the bottom. Open and crease. And open. So now we're going to simultaneously fold both of these creases down with our index fingers and work them toward the center. Then you have this extra flap, and just fold it to the right, like that. Repeat on the bottom. Bring these two flaps together, and then fold that extra flap to the right. Perfect. Now, fold the model in half. And crease, and open. And now we're going to fold this edge and bring it in to the center line here. And only crease until you see this center crease here. So this center line continues. So you'll crease until this point, and you'll also see sort of a little line here, so you'll know where to stop. Open it back up again, and it's okay that these flaps have folded down like that. So reopen them. Now we're going to repeat on this side. So fold this edge this way. And again, crease up until just the center. And reopen. And then lay those flaps flat again. Now, this is a three-dimensional maneuver that I know you can handle. Pick the model up. With your right hand, place your middle finger underneath where this center line is. Place your index finger on the top half and your thumb on the bottom. And begin to bring those two sides together. Like that. At the same time, take your left hand and collapse the model. Bring your thumb together with your index finger. Like this. And continue to crease through those creases so that it flattens the model. Easy. And then the next thing we're going to do is fold the head. So we're going to fold the head down about like that. So we're going to fold the head down, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And the easiest way to do this is to simply open the model up, take your thumb, begin to flatten this triangle, and then send it away from you. We're going to get really good at this maneuver because we're going to do this. Open the model, flip the paper, flatten several times. So you get the idea. And so once the shape that we're looking for is that the head is going to be pulled down enough so that it reveals the ears. And we're going to point the head down enough so that this bottom edge here is a little bit pointed. It's not quite parallel with the bottom of the body. We want to have it just pointed a little bit down more than that. So you can see how parallel would be about here, about like that, and then we've angled it down just a little bit more. Perfect. And what we want is to have these little ears sticking out at the same angle. So mine have gotten escaped, a little bit escaped. So I'm just fixing them so that they're both evenly laying flat against each other on the inside. As you can see, that's what it looks like on the inside. The little ears. So the ears are not sticking out enough. So I'm going to grip firmly with my right thumb and finger behind. And I'm going to grip with my left thumb and finger behind. And I'm just going to gently bring the top of the head down just a little more so that I can reveal the length of those ears just a little more. There we go. Very nice. That was the hardest part of this whole model. So if you got past this, it's a breeze. And just crease everything flat again. And so now we're going to shape the head, shape the snout, and we're going to make a crease about here and send it back. And this edge will be folded along here, right along there, as you can see. And then we're going to make another crease. Just along here to send the little nose back out again, like that. So then you guessed it, we are going to, along this first crease, open it up and really send the nose under along those creases. And then at the same time we will fold the nose back out again along that other crease we made. You can see how that crease is there. Just keep folding along those creases. So you can see what we did there underneath. And then you can flatten that. And then we're going to fold this triangle in half, and you guessed it, we're going to flip it over itself after we make a pre-crease. So we kind of open it up, flip it over itself, like that. And then flatten. Looks like a bear right now. And then the last step is we're going to make a crease about here, and we're going to flip that nose over the face. So I would grab right here and hold so that it doesn't escape, and then take this and just flip it over the top, like that. Now we have a little dog nose. So now we're going to shape the arms. Just fold this in half so that this edge comes to here. And then open that and then tuck it in, flip it around the back way, inside, so we can't see it. Repeat on the other side. This edge to here. Now we're going to open it back up again and flip it into the inside. Perfect. Now we're going to fold the tail. So we're going to make a crease right here, and we're going to send this edge, flip it back. This edge will stay along here. So you can see how this edge is flush with here. And then you guessed it, open it up, and we're going to open the body and flip it inside. And then bring that down so that it's in line. Lay the model down and flatten this crease here. This next part doesn't have to be exact. We're just going to open the body up, grab that little triangle with our thumb, put our index finger in here, and bring it back, you know, about halfway. And then just bring this tail all the way up to this, as far as up as it will go. And then flatten. Like that across the whole body. And the last step, second to last step, is we're going to fold the tail over like this to kind of make it stick up. Open. You guessed it. Open this model. Flip the tail inside out, close. Now you can bring it up and then squash and crease. The very last thing we're going to do is take each of the ears and fold them down along as far as they will go, and then just bring them back up. It gives them a little more shape. So the dog will stand up by himself, as you can see. And there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed folding the dog. Stay tuned tomorrow for another exciting model. See you then!